Welcome back to Daily Talk English. And today is a very special day because today we are talking about something that every English learner in the whole world struggles with. Every single one. Yes, even me, even my co-host. When we were learning English, we had this problem too.
Hello, everyone. And before my partner says the topic, let me try to guess. Is it about speaking English and then suddenly your brain just stops and you go, what was I saying?
You always do this. Yes, that is exactly it. Today's topic is how to speak English without hesitation. And if you have ever opened your mouth to speak English and then your brain just froze, this video is 100% made for you.
And we're going to keep everything super simple today. No big grammar rules, no difficult vocabulary, just easy, practical tips that you can start using today, after this video, right now.
And before we get started, if you are new here, a very warm welcome to Daily Talk English. This channel is your safe place to learn English. We speak slowly, we explain everything step by step, and most importantly, we make it fun. So please subscribe right now if you have not already. Click that subscribe button and press the bell icon so you never miss our new videos. We upload every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 5 fresh videos every single week just for you.
And if this video is helpful for you, and I promise it will be, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow, and it tells YouTube to show this video to more English learners who need it. So go ahead, like the video. We appreciate it so much.
Okay, so today we have 2 exciting parts for you. In part 1, we will talk about why we hesitate when we speak English, and in part 2, we will give you 5 super simple tips to stop hesitating and start speaking with confidence. Ready? Let us go.
All right, everyone. Part 1. Partner, when you first started learning English and you tried to speak, what happened inside your head? Be honest.
Oh, wow. Okay, honest answer. My brain was like a traffic jam. You know what a traffic jam is, when there are too many cars on the road and nobody can move? That was my brain when I tried to speak English. I had 10 thoughts at the same time, and I did not know which one to say first, so I just stopped and said nothing.
Traffic jam brain. That is such a perfect description. And you know what? Almost every single English learner feels exactly like this. So if you feel this way, you are completely normal. You are not alone.
So let us talk about the reasons. Reason number 1, we translate in our head. When someone asks us a question in English, we hear it in English. Then we translate it into our first language. Then we think of the answer in our first language. Then we translate the answer back to English, and then we speak. That is 4 steps just to say one sentence.
4 steps. And by the time you finish all 4 steps, the other person is already talking about something else. And then you feel left behind and embarrassed, and you hesitate even more next time. It becomes a very difficult cycle.
Reason number 2, fear of making mistakes. This is honestly the biggest reason. We think, what if I say the wrong word? What if my grammar is not correct? What if people laugh at me? And because of that fear, we say nothing. We stay quiet. We miss the chance to practice.
And I want to say something very important here. Making mistakes is completely okay. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The goal is not perfect English. The goal is clear English. English that people can understand. That is it. Say it with me, everyone. Clear English, not perfect English.
Clear English, not perfect English. Write that down. That is the most important sentence of today's video. Now, reason number 3. We do not practice speaking enough. Many learners study grammar, they watch videos, they read books, but they do not actually speak. And speaking is like a muscle. If you do not use it, it gets weak. If you use it every day, it gets stronger and stronger.
Like a muscle. I love that. And the last reason number 4, we wait until we feel ready. We say, I will speak English when my English gets better. I will speak when I feel more confident. But here's the truth. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes from speaking. So you must start now, even if you are not ready, even if your English is not perfect. Just start. The confidence will follow. I promise.
Beautiful. So to recap part 1, 4 reasons we hesitate. 1, we translate in our head. 2, fear of making mistakes. 3, not enough speaking practice. And 4, waiting to feel ready. Now, part 2, the tips, the solutions. Let us go.
Yes, part 2. This is my favorite part because now we stop talking about the problem and we start talking about the solution. Tip number 1, go.
Tip number 1, use simple words, not big, fancy words. Many learners think they need to use big, difficult words to sound smart. But no, the best English speakers use simple, clear, short words. For example, instead of saying, I am experiencing significant difficulties in verbal communication, just say, I find it hard to speak. Simple, short, clear. Everybody understands you.
I am experiencing significant difficulties. That was so funny. But yes, simple words are your best friends. When you use simple words, you do not need to think too much. The words come out easily, naturally, without stopping.
Tip number 2, talk to yourself in English every day. Yes, talk to yourself. Every morning when you wake up, say good morning in English. When you make breakfast, describe what you are doing. I am making eggs. I am cutting bread. The coffee smells good. Simple sentences, no pressure. Nobody is listening. Nobody is judging. It is just you and your English growing together every day.
I do this every single day. I talk to myself while cooking, while walking, even in the shower sometimes. My family thinks I'm a little crazy, but my English improved so much because of this one simple habit. When there's no pressure, you speak more freely, and the more you speak freely, the more confident you become.
Shower English. Tip number 3, learn phrases, not just single words. Most beginners learn individual words, happy, sad, run, eat, good. And yes, vocabulary is important, but in real conversations, you use phrases, groups of words together. So instead of just learning the word sorry, learn the full phrase, I'm really sorry about that. Instead of the word help, learn, could you help me please? These phrases come out automatically, without thinking, without hesitating.
Phrases are like ready-made tools. And here are 3 super useful phrases for when you need more time to think. Say, let me think for a second. Or, that is a good question. Or, let me see. These phrases are gold. They keep the conversation going while your brain is still working in the background.
Brain working in the background. I love it. Also, when you do not understand something, instead of going, what? I don't, just say clearly, sorry, could you say that again, please? Or, I'm sorry, I did not catch that. These phrases save the conversation, and you sound very calm and natural, even when you're confused inside.
Calm on the outside, panicking on the inside. We've all been there. Okay, tip number 4, slow down. Please do not rush. When beginners get nervous, they speak very, very fast. They think if they speak fast, people will not notice their mistakes. But actually, the opposite happens. When you speak too fast, you make more mistakes. You confuse yourself, and people cannot understand you properly.
So slow down, take a breath, speak clearly, word by word, sentence by sentence. And remember, pausing is completely okay. A small pause is natural in every conversation. Even in your own language, you pause sometimes. You think, you take a breath. That is normal. Give yourself permission to pause in English too. Take your time. Nobody is rushing you.
I want everyone to do a small exercise right now. Repeat after me, slowly. Ready? I can speak English. Again, I can speak English. One more time, normal speed. I can speak English. Feel that? When you slow down, the words come out clearly, and clearly is confidently.
If you did that exercise, type yes in the comments right now. We would love to know. And now the final tip, tip number 5. And this one is the most powerful of all. Practice speaking out loud every day. Not reading silently, not writing. Actually opening your mouth and making sounds out loud every single day. Even 5 minutes a day makes a huge difference.
You can practice with a friend, a family member, a classmate, or even by yourself. Read something in English out loud. Describe your day in English out loud. Repeat sentences from this video out loud. Every time you open your mouth and speak, even alone, your brain is getting trained. Your mouth is getting comfortable, and your confidence is growing bigger and bigger every day.
And here's your homework for today. After this video, tell someone 2 things you learned. A friend, a family member, even your pet. In English. Just 2 simple things. That's it. That's your practice for today. Will you do it? I believe in every single one of you watching right now. You can do this.
Okay, everyone, quick recap before we say goodbye. Today's topic was how to speak English without hesitation. In part 1, we learned 4 reasons why we hesitate. 1, we translate in our head. 2, fear of making mistakes. 3, not enough speaking practice. And 4, waiting to feel ready.
And in part 2, our 5 amazing tips. Tip 1, use simple words. Tip 2, talk to yourself in English every day. Tip 3, learn phrases, not just single words. Tip 4, slow down and take your time. And tip 5, practice speaking out loud every single day. Start all 5 tips today, right now, after this video.
And remember the most important lesson from today. You do not need perfect English. You need clear English. And clear English comes from practice. Every day, little by little. And before you know it, you will be speaking English with so much confidence. We are so proud of you for watching till the end.
If this video helped you, please like it right now. Subscribe if you have not already. Press the bell icon and share this video with one friend who needs it. Just one friend. Let us help more people speak English with confidence.
And tell us in the comments which tip was your favorite. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. We read every single comment and we love hearing from you.
All right, everyone. That is all for today. Thank you so much for being here at Daily Talk English. We will see you in the very next video. Until then, keep speaking, keep practicing, keep going.
Bye, everyone. Take good care. And remember, every single day is a new chance to speak better English. We believe in you. See you next time. Bye.